What's going on? It's your boy Marlon O Bennett, guys. To find out a little bit more about who I am, check your email inbox. But today, guys, this is all about you, okay? It's all about you. This is some of what I consider my best work to date in terms of automated mark funnels. And so I actually went to work and put this together in 3 days because I was so pumped up. Guys, get prepared and watch what I prepared for. Okay, guys, depending on which of my websites you landed on, you may or may not have seen some very powerful testimonials about from just a few of the members of people who've already joined the system and are starting to have the results that they want in their business. And by the way, guys, you can have these results with any type of business that you're operating, not just for the system that we're talking about right now. Now, what I want you guys to pay special attention to right now is everything that you're about to see in this video, guys, and on this website is going to be available to you once you get plugged in to the system, okay? So let's talk about that before we actually move on to the next video where we're actually going to be explaining exactly how the actual system works, guys, okay? Now, inside of your actual members area, guys, you're going to have your profile and you're going to set that up. It's going to take you all of 5 minutes to do so, okay? Now, inside of your members area, you're going to have tabs, a page that looks just like this: contacts, pages, tools, resources, account, view the matrices, everything that you need, guys. Now, if you pay attention to where it says resources here, this is where you're going to go to get started, okay? Now, once you're on that get started page, guys, we're going to be talking a lot about what you need to lay the foundation to get yourself started. We're going to be talking about the skills you need to master, among other things. We're going to be talking about setting goals, and we're going to be talking about building an audience. And so those are going to be the initial blocks of training that you're going to be introduced to, because that's where you want to start. Now, what I can tell you is that also starts with an actual capture page, right, that we're going to hand over to you. You guys are going to get one that looks exactly like this among 3 others that you get to choose from. And this is what you want to do, guys, when you start diving into the actual training. When you're ready to get out there, start rocking and rolling and positioning yourself in front of the countless tens of thousands of people who are looking to either have their bills eliminated or people who just want to make extra income working from home. So the capture page is going to be your way, the front door to your audience, right, and getting in front of them. And naturally, guys, of course, when your potential prospects opt into your capture page, they'll be actually redirected to an actual VSL, a video sales letter that goes into deeper detail, right, about how the actual system works, okay? You guys are going to hear a lot about banks. You're going to hear a lot about the power of one. Well, it's all going to be explained in the video below this one, but I just want you guys to know that you will actually be handed over a system that will actually really literally do 90% of the work for you. Now, guys, I'm right in the middle of a 90-day challenge, right? This is why you see, if you're on YouTube, me doing so many videos. I am in a serious recruiting mode, okay? I'm looking for like-minded, serious individuals who want to be a part of the system to get in here and lock themselves into a position so that you can see the awesome power of one and what this actual system can do for you. So what I've done, guys, if I've gone one step further, right, in what's already an incredible system, and I built out my very own bridge page. That's something that I do a lot of, guys, okay? I've been doing this for a little while now. And so what I've done for everybody, in addition to all the great tools and resources you saw that you will be receiving, I'm also throwing in a bonus bridge page website. And you guys are looking at it right now. So let me tell you what happens when you join our team, particularly, guys, when you join my team. You're going to get a bridge page website exactly like this one. just like the replicated website that you'll receive once you've joined us, you're also going to receive this page from me personally. It's my personal gift to you guys, and it's going to help you along in addition to the replicated website that you're already going to receive. On this particular website, guys, and this is where we're going to have a lot of fun, and this is where for all the serious people, right, who really want to get in here and dive in and hit the ground running as you dive into the actual training, well, guys, you're going to be able to simply take this page that you're watching and share it with other people, right? Just share this page that you're watching right now with other people, right? Because here's what I've done, guys. I've gone out and done for you. Down here in the second video, you guys will find that this video is going to talk exactly about how this system works, right? The comp plan, if you will, in terms of the banks that you can actually secure and have go to work for you on total automation and earning you residual income at the same time. That's video 2. In video 3, guys, I actually tell you guys what you need to do to get started right now today. I can tell you guys when you do that, you're going to come right here and click a Get Started button. Well, right now I have this Get Started button set up to redirect to my actual page. Let's take a look at it. That's my join page, guys, okay? Of course, when you guys join and you contact me, I'm going to send you a page, and your particular Miracle System No More Bills sign-up page will redirect from that particular button. So now that we know how that works, guys, let's talk about what else you get as a bonus just for joining the team. I'm also throwing in the actual banner for the actual Facebook group, right? We want to invite people into the Facebook group, guys, okay? Because this way they can see other like-minded individuals. They can get in where they fit in and start conversations with people inside of our group, right? Learn about what it is we're doing. And there's a lot going on inside the group. So you want to be inside of it yourself. And you want to invite people that you're you're showing the system to, so that they can get in and become a part of the community as well. And one of the other things that I'm really super excited about is that the fact that on this bonus page that I'm throwing in is I've actually have inside a link that people can click, and they can actually sit in on the live Zooms, which are conducted every day, Monday through Saturday, or this Monday through Saturday, should I say, 9 p.m. and Eastern Standard Time and 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. So that's right here on the page, guys. And so everybody who you're sharing this, this incredible opportunity with, they can simply click the actual banner, right? Click the banner and it'll take them over to the Zoom. So it doesn't matter when they see the page that you're sharing with them, right? Whether you share this page with someone on your Facebook fan page, or you're using live traffic to send to this page, right? Which we're going to be talking about a little bit later in some subsequent videos. But the point is, you got a site right here that's pretty much doing everything for you. What I really love about what I've done here, and I really think I've outdone myself, is the fact that I make sure that I relay this information to everybody you're introducing the system to down here in the special joining bonus video. And what I tell people is the exact same thing that I'm telling you right now, right? That this site, just like your other site, the replicated site you get when you join the team, can actually do 90% of the work for you. So your potential invitees, prospects, will understand the power of this particular bridge page as well, okay? Anything that you need, guys, you can reach out and contact me, because I got all my contact information right here. I've even made it possible from the little site that I built for you to log in. I'm going to click that to your actual site right from the page, guys. How cool is that? So I said at the beginning of this video, everything that you see on this video, everything that you see on this page, you're going to be given instant access to as a member of our team. So if you're not yet super pumped up and super excited, right, then you need to get super pumped up and get excited, right? And go on and join the team. And you can do that, guys, simply by clicking the Get Started button below. And remember, guys, even if it's not my Get Started page, it's one of our team members' pages, and it's somebody on our team, okay? Now, guys, I hope that I summed that up pretty much for you. Remember, you're going to set up your profile. You're going to get inside the system. I'll talk a little bit more about it in a video below. Remember, you're going to get the replicated website that goes out and redirects to the actual VSL that does basically 90% of everything that you want to get your potential people, the people you're getting in front of, to know and understand about the system. And of course, guys, you're getting the bonus bridge page that I'm throwing in, coded with your particular join link, right? Basically, all you're doing, and we're going to show you 1,000,001 ways to do it, is positioning yourself in front of your target audience. Okay, guys? So that's it for this video. I'm super excited for you guys, particularly those of you who are ready to step out and make some things happen. And I will see you guys on the next video. As always, this is your boy, Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys. I'll see you on the next video.